Chris here with Crypto B Vision, bringing you another wicked video. Today, you're going to get to see me dollar cost average into a 20x long leverage, lots of words I know, with Bitcoin. Now, the reason I do this is because you don't know, but you want Bitcoin to go up. You've charted it. You're using market cipher. All the indicators are in place, but you don't know if it's going to dip that extra $100 or $150. So what do? Just like when you're entering the market, you want a dollar cost average in. Now, what that does, say you enter at 19,000 on a long and it goes down to 18,750, but your trend line is at 18,500. Well, you can enter at different levels to bring your entry down. So when it wicks down, you'll actually catch that entry and then it goes right back up. That helps with trying to catch the bottom, guys. But if you want to be in the trade, you don't necessarily want to just rely on that bottom. So in this video, that's what I go over. Dollar cost average in on a 20x leverage trade for Bitcoin. It's pretty informative, and watch it till the end. There's a nice secret surprise in there for you. So I appreciate you guys watching. Please like the video, comment on the video, subscribe, and ding that bell, guys. And don't forget about that Telegram group, guys. We're almost 300 members strong, and we are doing call outs, and everything is rocking in there. So thanks for being here. I appreciate you, and I appreciate your time. Let's dig into the video. So we're looking at the Bitcoin 1 minute chart. I was looking to start my use leverage, 20x leverage today using market cipher. And I just stumbled across Bitcoin. I made a long video, like a 60-minute video on Link and Ethereum and Polkadot today, but the computer just can't handle it. So we got to do a short video, and we're going to choose Bitcoin. So I marked this possible entry when it was up here after it rejected off there. I had my buy order set at 26779, I believe, and I entered a little early too, dollar cost averaging in. Okay, so if we're taking a look at this, I'm expecting a bounce off of that 26692 level. It is showing a bit of support, but anything can happen on the 1 minute chart. So my average entry right now is 27801, which is not really the worst entry unless this line here turns into resistance. I'm hoping it doesn't. So I have my next dollar cost average in at 26692. So I've just kind of been sitting here watching this chart, talking to the group, and getting back into the charts here. So I wrote that possible entry, which it hit, and as you can see, we're going down, down, down. We're going to see if it triggers my next hit. I'm trading on my phone now because my PC is just not handling trading as well on with Binance, making a video, get a little bit of music going, and a couple other tabs open, right? So this is kind of what I'm doing. I'm watching Bitcoin. The easy thing with this is market cipher on the bottom. We'll make that a little bigger for you guys again. Market cipher is just slaughtering these calls. It is insane. As you can see, it's just ripping back up. We dipped down in the red, so this is less tradable, but we're back above the zero line. And with the upper trend line, we have 1, 2 confirmed touches. The lower trend line is kind of a mess down here. I didn't get my next buy-in, which sucks, but we are in and we're going up. I'm hoping this is going to bump up out of that upper trend line. 3 touches, it should break through. So if we go back and look at market cipher, like I did a video on this the other day, but you get your green dot, you buy here, sell your red dot, you sell up there, right? Buy your green dot, you buy here, red dot, you sell up here. Like this is, I decided to make kind of the week of this, so I'll probably be doing one of these a day. And yeah,
So this is kind of cool. I like watching it. You're getting a nice rejection right there, so you can always bump this up. You want a nice clear vision, guys, a nice clear vision of the chart in a whole. As you can see, you're getting a lot of rejection around this area, right? But Bitcoin is so bullish right now. I actually assumed it was going to dump by now, so putting in longs and shorts right now are kind of, I don't know, kind of risky for me, but that's what I'm doing today, guys. So if you take a look back, you can even just with your eyes, you can just look at Market Cypher. This thing is a beast. If you don't have it yet, guys, take a look at the links in the description. It's definitely worth the money. You can make your money back in a week. And he's got a sale on, right? New Year's sale or Christmas sale, Boxing Day sale. He's always got all these sales going on, so it's always half off, pretty much. So that's really good. Lifetime membership. Then you got it for life, and then you're in, right? So yeah, we keep kind of looking at this possible entry. We'll move it back over to where it was, which we got, but it's kind of staggering around here. And what does it do when it does this? It's like a spring. It's winding up to make a move. I'm open to the upside. I don't want it to go any further to the downside. I don't see why it would unless money starts flowing into the altcoins, which a lot of people are talking about. But I'm hoping to get my entry here. Yeah, there's one other thing I wanted to discuss here quick, which is this Uniforth. I'm going to forward this to my group, so if you're interested in this, join the Crypto Be Untouchables. We've got her in the group now. I've been keeping them update. We got everything. We're talking about liquidation prices. We've got a good couple questions. I put up this picture. I entered in. Somebody was asking what 100x long was in the liquidation aspect of things. And as you can see, if you're 100x long, you're looking at a liquidation less than 0.001%. I actually made out 30% up on this trade, so that was pretty cool. But yeah, that's basically it. Check out that Uniforth. Join the group. Check it all out. There we go. Look at us. We're getting back into her. Ooh, she's on a heavy down spiral. We're going to get a nice big bounce. That's what we're looking for. If we pop over to the 3-minute chart, you know what? I don't like doing this when I'm in a trade. But as you can see, go to the longer term trend, guys. Little Snoop Dogg in the background. Do I want to get rid of my levels? Yeah, we can redo those. So, as you can see, if this was to bounce up here, a little bit of consolidation and bounce again. It's just me checking my phone to see where my entry is. And you could be good. I mean, at any time, anything can dump or skyrocket up, guys. But as you can see on the 3-minute chart, we are getting close to a green dot as well. So we cycle through. Let's take a look at the 5-minute here. 5-minute. What are we reaching support? Oh, I don't know. What do we got here? I got a pretty good liquidation. Liquidation's 25 grand, so it's nothing too serious. But you can see, you draw your trend lines if you want, however you want to draw them. We're on the 5-minute now, and the 5-minute's getting close too for a double bottom. It needs to pop out of that red, right? Oh, as you can see, the 5-minute, you know, all these charts look differently. So the 5-minute, you can roll something like that out to the bottom way back there. There you go. Right? And then if you wanted to get even kind of more short term, look like this maybe, hey? Oh yeah, okay. You know what I mean? And then when this breaks out, you're going to get your target. When this breaks out, we're bullish. I've been holding a bear thought process. Oh, did I get my last entry? Not yet. We're getting close. Yeah, we don't want that to break though. We really don't. So if we get a breakout, I'm assuming it's going to be around this area since it looks like heavy resistance along there. So you get your breakout right here. Oh, I don't think I got that. No, that order didn't get picked up. Still might though, right? You get your breakout. 3.17% is probably a decent target for that on a wick, I'm guessing. So I would maybe set your target a little lower, somewhere like right there. Top of this, the wick will catch that, but you might not get caught. You want to make sure you're legit. So at that point, I would probably set a sell after watching the chart, or you can do a trailing stop at 27745. So 2.67% times 20. That's probably 55% on what you're wagering or leveraging. Cool. So that's another leverage video, guys. Join the group. Check it out in there. We're pumping a lot of good information in there the last 3-4 days. We're back on the charts. We're back in action. We're heading into a new year. We are looking good. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate your time and your patience. Join Market Cypher. Take a look at it at least. You know, it's a one-time payment. And also get TradingView. Both links are in the description. So I appreciate your time, guys. Thank you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ding that bell. And drop me a comment what you thought about this leverage. I'm in a live trade. Sorry I can't show you on the Binance, but we'll get there. We'll see you on the next one.